Good morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. Oh boy, this is our electromagnetic field. We're going to start right off with Schumann. Today I woke up feeling awkward, and this is why. This is our electromagnetic field. And look at this. It's like two solid beams just like, god dang, what is that? I mean, you can see there's like gaps in between, like it's a pulse wave or something. It's really awkward. But when you scroll down to our, that's the Schumann. Yeah, today's gonna be one heck of a day, that's for sure. Buckle up, folks. We're about to be in for a ride of emotions and whatnot. So, this is just maxed right out. Yowzers! Ouch! Look, this is the geophone, just solid blasting us. What in the world's going on with our planet? This poor girl. Sorry, Mama. So, with this being looked at, I'm like, well, I better go over and start looking at a few other things. What's going on here? Come over to space weather, and this at the European Space Agency, and it has changed again. Look at this. We're all the way up here to what, 46, 47 centimeters cubed of plasma. Yeah, that's a crap ton. Nothing just shot right up, and then behind it, of course, we got our solar winds, and this is saying our solar winds will be close to 400, which is what's behind it, this right here. Okay, so this right here, I mean, you can see we're right between the black and the white. It actually should be, I'd say probably closer to 50, but yeah, that's not good. So if we go from here, and then I was like, well, might as well go look somewhere else. So let's let go of these two and come on over to here. This is Enlil's. They show us hitting at 1 o'clock, which so did the European Space Agency, but they're only showing a peak of only, what, 35 to 38 maybe, tops. And then, of course, behind it, you got all this right here is the solar winds, and they're showing our velocity on the 16th being, up to about 700. So, yeah, that's kilometers per second, by the way. Close to 700. Yippee-ki-yay, fun times. So, and I'm like, well, let's go check out Enlil over here on this one. Same thing. They're showing the same thing, but then I'm like, well, let's scroll down and take a look at the bottom one that they got. Oh, where did it? Oh, it's not on this one. I think it's on this one, actually. Yeah, it's on this one. This is spaceweatherlive.com. This one shows us getting popped as well. But this one shows much milder of a smack, more like here. But this doesn't really make sense to me. Looks like Solo is right under us, or on top of us, one or the other. Yeah, so, yeah, good morning on November 15th at 7:39 in the morning. So, really, next thing you do is go check out Soho, or this, yeah. And actually, folks, we might have a problem. I'm here at spaceweatherpredictioncenter.com, and you can tell that we are obviously in an event of some sort here, probably the blast that we're getting hammered with right now. Yeah, I'm not seeing a way over, so we know that we're in event mode right here. We can see our showing our density is low, which I don't understand that. We should be a lot higher. And then of course we got our speed ramping up, our temperature going a little wonky. But how can our density be below 10 when we've seen that we're like right here? This is our density right here, 15th. Our density is increasing, so how can that be? Also, Lasco, they have not updated it here. It's still only showing up to the 12th, and today is the 15th. Hello, 15th, all ones and a 2, and then maybe a 4 on the 16th. So I'm not making much sense of any of this whatsoever. And what I mean by we might have a problem, this is what I keep getting for Soho. They might have taken the site down, but I'm going to keep trying, so give me just a minute. Well, I'm still here at the Space Weather Prediction Center, And right here is ACE real-time solar wind. This right here is a nice little tool to go to. You can see our magnetic field is fluctuating all over the place. We're having readings that are just going absolutely haywire. This is our plasma right here. You can see the radial speed is upticking. It's still showing our density isn't very big, which makes no sense. And then our temperature is up and down all over. And this is a good indicator of everything, I do believe. And then you got high energy protons, so you can see the difference. So this is a nice little ordeal to have to kind of take a peek. I mean, it looks like we took a little punch right here. But yeah, I'll come over here to windy, because I'll be honest, right here I keep getting this every time I try to reload it. I think they took Soho NASCOM offline. I'll keep on trying to find a back way in, but till then, looking over here at windy, my goodness, we're gonna need to keep an eye on this. Winds are going to increase and pick up speed. Look, we still got that zipper coming right up here. That's a long, strange zipper. Oh look, here's another zipper over here. Comes right up like that. You guys see it? Got another strange zipper going right here. That is just the wildest thing I've ever seen. It might be common, I don't know, but I've never seen that. I mean, look at this, going right up here, goes up here, and then this one here goes this way, like they run together. And then here's another one right here. This is some strange stuff going on with our winds. Might be something to look at. Let me keep trying. Just out of curiosity, I came over in here and hit air quality and came down to PM 2.5, which we know is highly, highly deadly. You can see here, scale goes from 100 straight to 1,000 right here, right? What the heck is going on up here and here in Canada? Can anybody tell me? I don't know. But I know that ain't good. Come on. Look at this. Last night when I looked at it, they were high levels too. I was like, what in the crap is happening here? It's not good. I even went on Google Earth and looked over in this area. My goodness, there's a mine. It looked like there's some form of a mine here near between high level. It was actually really high between high level and I think it was Chateau or something like that. And then it was up here is where the mine is. But look at this. Let's tap on it and see what it's reading for us. So if you're up near high level, you're looking at 312 cubed of 2.5 of PM 2.5. What in the world? Let's move this around. 320. What is going on up here? And it looks like 320 is about the highest I'm going to find it. But if you're up in this area, can somebody tell me what's going on? Because I have no idea. But that's, I mean, hello. This is centimeters cubed, or meters cubed, either way. That's bad news. That's really bad news for anybody up here. And the same thing with anybody down here too. I mean, look at these levels. No matter what, you're over 100. All of this, you're over 100. Man. Try to stay indoors, folks. Holy crud. And it's freezing up here right now. I mean, let's take a look at a camera here. It is freezing. In fact, let's look at this guy looking this way. Look at this, 24 hours. I mean, I don't know about any volcanoes or anything like that. But they're taking stuff offline. That's for sure. So what the real question is, what is really going on over there? I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but something's going on. Gonna be over in England. It looks like Liverpool has the highest amount of PM 2.5 at 18 centimeters cubed. That's the highest point. So if you're around Liverpool, stay indoors. My goodness, that's not good at all. If you happen to be over here in India, yeah, this ain't good. Northern India, all of northern India, not good. 228, like for real. Those are some heavy hitting numbers there, folks. Down here in the orange, we're still at 79. And look at over here in China. These poor folks over here in China, they're getting hammered with it too. So if you're in China, well, I don't think you're even hearing anything I have to say. But yeah, you guys are getting bamboozled. This ain't good, folks. If you happen to be here in New Mexico, we're looking at 52 centimeters cubed. Of course, the west coast of California, we know all about that. Texas is getting some, not a whole ton, but this seems to be a pretty high point here. Let's investigate and see exactly where. Alamogordo, New Mexico seems to be our hot point here in the United States so far. That's the highest I've found. Don't know why. If anybody lives in this area or knows of any factories or any kind of mining or anything going on in this area, please let me know. I would appreciate it. The cams, just shows the highway there. So yeah, let me keep trying over here at Soho. Here I've been trying to get into their back way in right off of NASA's website, and this is what I'm getting. I have a feeling they took it offline, folks. Ruh-roh, Reggie. That ain't good. Okay, so over here at Seeds, we can see that this is supposedly Mercury, and it's going this way, right? But what is this? Going the opposite direction. See it? Right here? Let's see if I can zoom in for you. See that? What is that? So this Mercury, supposedly, it's blinking. Stars don't blink, and it's going that way. And this is coming this way. And the reason I know this is because you come over here and you look at this one, and you can see it's right here. And it's going this way. While Mercury is going that way that they've got blotted out. There's something else going on. I don't understand why they would take Lasco down, unless there's something there they don't want us to see. I'll keep trying though. So Lasco C2 and C3 are still offline. I can't get onto them. However, I did find a back channel into getting here at Coronagraph 2, and I want to point something out. Look at this here. They've got this blotted out here and here. When we look over here, they're blotting out this and this. Why? I'm not sure. But if we, sorry, let me shrink it down all the way. And if we actually come back here, oh, looky. What are they blotting out here? Something right over in here that they don't want us to see. And up here. Maybe even this guy. So what is happening? Why are they blotting that out? It's a question for the ages. Oh look, we got a blot out square there to blot that guy out. There's a lot of stuff going on they don't want us seeing. I don't know, you tell me, folks. I don't know. But as soon as I get onto Lasco C2 and C3, I will do a video and we'll do an update. Look at these strange. This is supposed to be black and white. We're getting green on this thing. What is that? This is crazy, folks. Whoa. Now, granted, this is on the 3rd, but still, sometimes going backwards in time, you can actually see things from a different angle, different perspective, which is what this is. I mean, look at that. What is this? And this, I don't remember seeing this at all on. Ooh, I think I found me a new tool, folks. My evil laugh. I'm loving it. Mickey D's, baby, Mickey D's. I'm loving it. Yeah, this is good stuff. Alright, folks. I'll let you know if I find anything. Bye. Have a good night. Good day, actually. Be safe. I'll be back on later.